Team productivity tools constantly evolve, and over the last couple of years we've had some interesting innovations. And with that, Microsoft continue to invest in their hybrid, remote and asynchronous communication platforms to help build better ways of working. Well, Microsoft have introduced a brand new feature as part of the Viva Engage platform, which is an interesting take on workplace productivity and collaboration. And in today's video, we're going to look at storylines to help you understand what this new feature does and explore how it embeds inside of their Viva Engage platform for taking your productivity and collaboration a step further. So if you're new here, welcome. My name is Francesco and welcome to the Keep Productive YouTube channel. If you're new here, do wave to us in the comments below. We'd love to welcome you to this community. So make sure you hit like and subscribe if you enjoy this video. So Microsoft have introduced storylines. Now you're probably wondering, this looks very similar to something I know, Facebook, Instagram, maybe even Snapchat or TikTok. The ability to see stories has been something we've used over the last 5 years, and they want to bring this to the workplace. Essentially, it's very much the same. You can upload stories through the mobile application and be able to view them in a carousel, much like you would with Facebook. Scrolling through it, you can see updates from your company leaders, company employees, or maybe even just colleagues you're working with. And they suggest uploading things that you and your company might need to know across the day. And it's an interesting new, more personal approach when using hybrid and remote work. Now this is so weird to see, but it is part of something called the Viva Engage platform, where essentially if you go in, you'll have a profile. And I know what you're saying, this looks super similar to Facebook, and it does. Essentially, you'll have a profile where you can upload storylines, which are essentially announcements, achievements, and feedback that you can post to your company. And they'll basically be broadcasted out to everyone or the community that you choose. Now from here, people can comment, join communities and interact with you, and helping to build a more sort of collaborative environment and I guess a more healthy environment, focusing more on the person as well. You can join communities not just about work, but also about topics like pet lovers, where you can share photos of your dog. I think they're trying to build this sort of interactive community, especially a lot of the sort of apps don't have this because there's this sort of water cooler conversation that doesn't happen for hybrid or remote people. So I think they're trying to bridge that gap between that audiences. Now you're probably wondering, is this brand new and do Microsoft intend to continue to evolve this? Well, actually, this feature, or this sort of feature, was released with Slack back in October 2020. At one of their events, they announced that they'd introduced something called video stories, which I personally like the concept of the idea, but the practicalities of people actually doing it across a workday is a whole different story. I would find it a little bit weird recording a video update and posting it, but then the world has evolved so much in the last couple of years that I think people are a lot more comfortable than they used to be. At least I'm just saying this, I'm even somebody who creates video on YouTube and I'm not as comfortable uploading short videos to colleagues. But I definitely see Microsoft having an investment in this hybrid and remote experience. And I guess if a company is that remote, bringing together the communities, the Engage platform, and so the ability to upload stories is something that they're going to try differently. Now, one of the most interesting things from this whole announcement is they're actually going to be embedding this in platforms like Yammer, Microsoft Teams, and Outlook. So you'll be able to see stories from those experiences, which is so strange. I remember somebody posting something about Outlook stories being a thing in the future, and it probably might be. The ability to see a story of what your colleague is working on right now or next could be quite interesting, but quite distracting when you're browsing your email. But an interesting update for the Microsoft 365 platform. Now we're set to do another feature on 365 updates that are more recent. So if you're new here or you're not subscribed, it'd be amazing to have you as a subscriber. So please do join us below. Thank you very much, folks. I hope you enjoyed this. Share what you think about this new feature. It's so strange to see, and I'd honestly love to hear what everyone else is thinking in their minds. Thank you very much, folks, and I'll talk to you all very soon. Cheerio for now.